Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Virgo. Virgo people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Okay, Virgo, first of all, I'm going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Justice. Virgo, this is your current energy, justice. Okay. Are you waiting to hear from somebody, some legal source or something like that? Are you guys into some kind of a legal issue or some legal dealing? Something is there which is related to law and order thing. Okay, are you guys into divorce thing? Oh my god, oh my god, are you guys into divorce thing? Not all of you, but some of you. Something is there in your life. Okay, you really want some kind of a justice in your life. Okay, maybe you have done a lot of thing for that particular person, particular job, particular career. Now you want, now you are done, now you are done, Virgo. Now you just want justice, nothing more than that. You don't want any kind of a sweet sugar coated stories. You want justice now. Okay, be it yes or no, be it good or bad, but you want justice. You really want to hear from somebody. Okay, and I feel that most of you are, or I mean, yeah, some of you are must be dealing with some divorce cases. Okay, some kind of a legal separation is going on with you, with in your life. Yes, or else maybe you are, being you are being very judgmental. You are, choosing the people which are good for you, for your mental health, for your mental peace. Okay, something is happening in that direction as well. But I feel that majorly you guys want some kind of a justice. Okay, from somebody. Okay, now let's see what is your partner's current energy. 3 of Swords. Oh my god, your partner is feeling heartbroken. Your partner is choosing to ignore you. Your partner must be ignoring you. Okay, they are feeling heartbroken. They are feeling cheated. They are feeling ditched. Not by you, there could be anybody else or somebody else. Okay, someone has broken their heart. Let's just clarify why this 3 of Swords is here. Why this 3 of Swords is here. Okay. Are you guys taking divorce? Are you guys taking divorce? We have 4 of Pentacles. Your person is feeling cheated. Your person is feeling betrayed. Your person is feeling ditched. Okay, it could be you, it could be somebody else. Okay, something is there. Okay, now with this 4 of Pentacles, your person wants to secure their money. Their person really no feels that at this point of time in life there is nobody for me who can stand for myself. It's only money which can help me to move ahead in life. Okay, so they are being really protective about their financial things. Okay, and yes, and perhaps for some of you, if your partner is dealing with somebody into their business, if they are or they were into some kind of a business partnership, so I feel that their partner must have cheated on them, their partner must have betrayed on them. Okay, so now at this point of time, your partner just want to secure their money as much as they can. Okay, so that's why they are feeling heartbroken, that's why they are feeling betrayed, cheated. Okay, Okay, now let's see how you see them and how they see you. How Virgos see their partners, and how Virgo's partners see them. Okay, okay. Oh. We have the Star card. The Moon, Star Moon. You guys are mirroring each other, okay? You guys are on the same life path, or on the same page, I would say. Okay, now let's talk about your feelings. So you see your person with the Star card, that they are someone who try to ignore the reality, who tries to just, they don't want to realize what is correct, what is not, okay, what is wrong, what is right. You feel that this person doesn't know who is their well-wisher and who is their not their well-wisher, okay. They are doing their own work, they are doing their own tasks, they are just living their own life, okay. They are not listening to anyone. Perhaps it's you who wants to convey something to them, okay. You just want to caution them, okay, but they are not listening to you, they are completely ignoring you. It's you are their clarity, you are their path, you are their uh, you know you are their biggest shining star. But sad part is that they are not seeing you, they are ignoring you, okay. They are ignoring you from everywhere, and rather than listening to you, you know uh, rather than talking to you, they are choosing to be silent. They are doing their own stuff, they are doing their own, they are just living their own life. They don't want, or they don't care about you, okay. That's how you feel them. The Moon card, Virgo, your person feels about you that you're hiding something from them. Both of you are under the same sky. Both of you are under the same sky. Your person feels about you that you are hiding something from them. Your person feels about you that you don't want them to be there in their life, okay. They feel that you are just choosing to ignore them. They feel that you just want, you just don't want them anymore in their life. See, this is the same pool. I feel that this is the same pool, okay. Your person is sitting on this side, okay, of the pool, and the on the other side, this, it's you. Your person feels that you are hiding something from them, okay. Now let's see how you see this relationship and how they see this relationship. How you see this how you see this relationship and how they see this relationship. The Hierophant. So with the Hierophant, I feel that you feel that To continue with this person, you should talk to your parents, you should talk to your loved ones, you should talk to somebody who is senior, you should talk to somebody who is elder. Okay, maybe your relationship is on that level that now you feel that it's okay, I have done whatever I can do, but now I want somebody to intervene in this relationship. It could be your parents, it could be their parents, it could be it could be any elder person. Okay, perhaps you are taking counseling sessions also. Okay, some counseling sessions are also going on. Okay, so you are into some counseling thing. Okay, maybe perhaps you guys are taking guidance from your parents, perhaps you guys are perhaps you people are taking advice from your loved ones, from your family, from your relatives, from your elders. Okay, some kind of a counseling is going on in this relationship, that's what I'm seeing. Or you feel that now I'm done with this person, I should see where I stand in life. Okay, for that thing also you are talking to few people about your career, about your job, about your financial stability. Okay, on the other hand, your person feels that your person is not ready to take any actions. Okay, maybe universe is offering them this cup. Universe is offering them, you are the only one person for them. Universe has offered them 3 4 cups to them, but they are choosing silence. Okay, they don't want to take any action in terms of in your direction. They don't want to take any action in this relationship. Okay, they are just sitting and they have closed their eyes. They don't want to see any new offer, they don't want to see any new person, they don't want to be in any kind of relationship. God, oh my god, oh my god, the future potential of this relationship is 8 of cups. I feel both of you are going to choose your own directions in life. Okay, perhaps this is the end of this relationship. Somebody is moving out from this relationship. Okay, and I feel both of you are kind of done in this relationship with each other. So now you want to explore what is going to be there for you. Okay, what is there for you in next chapter of your life. And I feel that both of you are, or both of you have done your best to keep to maintain, or to keep this relationship. Now both of you are looking your own ways. Okay. Okay, Virgo. So I feel that some of you could be dealing with Libra with this Justice card. We have Taurus in this reading with this Hierophant. Some of you could be dealing with them. Some of you could be dealing with Pisces with this Moon card. Some of you could be dealing with Aquarius, okay, with the Star card. We have water sign in this reading, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, with this 8 of Cups and 4 of Cups. Okay, we have air sign in this reading, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, with this 3 of Swords. And we have earth sign in this reading, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, with this 4 of Pentacles. Okay. Okay, so Virgo, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye, and wish you a very happy new year.